Hi everyone. This video is specifically for those who are searching for assistant professor job and almost every jobs. Okay. So the first three links I'm going to show you the assistant professor's job that you can get it even in engineering college, arts college, or any colleges. That is, they are posting their recruitment. And another one website where you can find almost any type of jobs. Okay. So the first website is facultyplus.com. So in facultyplus.com, if you just go and see, you can find that is this is an engineering job. Okay, that is architecture, aeronautical, automobile. You can find various options. Okay, and if it is a polytechnic, arts and science, nursing, research jobs, school jobs, post your recruitment. If you want to even post your recruitment in your college, if they are just trying to find out any professors or any other recruitment is going to happen, that if you want to post it you can do it. Okay, so once if you click, okay, you can also find based on your state. Okay, it's throughout India. You can see Arunachal Pradesh, Chandigarh, okay, Andhra Pradesh, so almost everywhere. So they'll be just posting all these things. Okay, and you can also search by the position. So if you are looking for professor, assistant professor, associate professor, lecturer, junior lecturer, tutor, senior lecturer, like that. And this is for research jobs. Okay, so any research related jobs, if you are just searching for, you can just go ahead here and see. And even you can just try see if you just click on any state. Okay, just I'm clicking on Tamil Nadu, and you can see here that what are the jobs which are posted very recently. Okay, that is today. You can see Sri Sakti Engineering College, Coimbatore, wanted professors. Okay, here you can see it is posted today, that is October 2021. Fine, and if you just scroll down, you can see that this is the Agni College of Technology, Sri Shakti Institute of Engineering and Technology. So inside Tamil Nadu, what are the colleges which they have posted for recruitment, that will be listed here. And if you want to see, okay, if you want to see that, open the link here, and you can see that what is the detailed information. Okay, this is Sri Shakti Engineering College. Just scroll down, you can find about more about the college. And you can see what are the job title they are looking for. Okay, this is the assistant professor job, and for which department they are looking: computer science and engineering. And what is the expected qualification, and you can see what is the job location. And apply mode is walk-in. Okay, you have to visit the college. Okay, sometimes if they might have given some mail ID as well. Okay, here you can see how to apply. All the interested candidates are asked to send your updated resume to this mail ID. Okay, and that is a date they have mentioned here. Okay, and what is the time, they have mentioned here the time. And you can see what is the address as well. You can send the, in few colleges they might have told you to send, or in few colleges they'll ask you to update in the online website, that is the online recruitment website itself. Okay, that you can find it. So Ramakrishna in College of Technology PhD admission is going on. Okay, so that is what they have posted here. If you click, you can find the various information about the PhD research area, artificial intelligence, data mining, and everything. Okay, and what is the mode? So how you can apply is, you can see, you can find it. You have to send your mail, that is your resume, to this address. Okay, mail ID, so you can apply it. Okay, this is facultyplus.com. Here you can find various jobs. Even if you want to go to the school job, if you are a teacher, if you want to just apply for the school job, that is also possible here. So faculty jobs 2021 at Spurti Engineering College, Hyderabad. Okay, this is teacher recruitment, Vasavi Public School, Hyderabad. Okay, so if you're a school teacher, you can also find it here. Yes, so let's talk about the second one, which is an faculty tick. Okay, so faculty tick is an another website where you can find very exciting jobs here. So here, if you go and search, you can see engineering based on the domain: engineering, arts and science, medical, law, polytechnic, school, research. Okay, So if you click on engineering, you can see what's coming up there. Okay, if you click on engineering, you can see that what is there. So just scroll, you can see, okay, this is Kakinada Institute of Technological Science, okay, which they have posted recently. Okay, and Shisa University eligible candidates are invited for walk-in. So click on any link, whichever the link which suits you, you can just click and see what about that is a more information about that college and the recruitment. Okay, this is about the institution. Okay, what are the designations they are looking for? Okay, what are the department and disciplines they are just focusing on, and what is the qualification they're expecting, and what is the job location, and how you have to apply for, and everything you can see here. Okay, if we go by arts and science, okay, so this is regarding arts and science colleges. If you just scroll down, you can see Metal Institute of Education invited application, National Institute of Passion Technology. Okay, anything, any link, if you want to just see, click there and just go and see the further information about it. See here, they are recruiting for chemistry. Okay, chemistry and microbiology. And what are the designations they are waiting for, and the department and discipline: microbiology, physics, chemistry, industrial chemistry, max, English, and everything. Okay, you can just look at this. So this is faculty tick. Okay, and the next one is free job alert. Okay, free job alert, where you can find various job alerts like a C Punjab teacher, Assam, and various states in India, so you can find it. Okay, and you can see, like here you have a consolidated one. Okay, this is the post date, which is on 7/10, and recruitment board, who is the recruitment board, and what is the post name, and what are the qualification. And here you can see the last date, and you can walk in, and if you want to see the more information, you can click here, get details. Okay, and this is for Andaman Nicobar, Andhra Pradesh. So you have various, they have segregated, they have consolidated based on the states. Okay, and the last one which you're going to see is what, Indeed. Okay, Indeed, where you can find any type of job. Okay, any type. If you want to just become a trainer, you can just type trainer, and then you can click on which state you have to become. So in which state you are just trying to search for. Okay, if you are searching for Karnataka, you can just click Karnataka and click find jobs. You can see more jobs here. Okay, so here nearly you can find more, see teacher, trainer, all subject. Okay, it's a remote work location, and you are getting this much, you are paid this much. And academic counselor, corporate trainer, so you can find various options here. Click on any advertisements they have given, you can find more information about it. Just scroll down and see, and finally if you want to apply, just click on apply on company site. In few, for few advertisement you can click directly on for few company you have to visit the company site and apply there. Okay, so you can find it. So any role if you are searching for, you can go and search. Even if you are looking for a part time teacher, okay, you can just try here. Okay, you can try here, so you can see the part-time teacher options, job opportunity. And if you are looking for a botany teacher, botany professor, okay, and that too in a Karnataka area, then you can find the professor. That is only few are there, means you have to change the, you have to change word, you have to change the keyword. Okay, that is professor. So professor in, so you have to type like professor in, okay, botany. Okay, so you have to just change it and check. Even if it is not finding, then you can proceed with something else. Okay, any keywords you can just try, and you can give any place. Okay, even in Singapore you can just try that, it will work out. Okay, just go and search for the job. If any one of you are looking for the job, because many left their job due to COVID, and If you want more jobs and job alerts, you can just log into these websites and find your job. All the best. Don't leave your hope. Definitely, you will get your job. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.